Did you know that over 85% of smartphone users feel overwhelmed by complicated apps and interfaces? The Rabbit R1 AI device is changing that, making technology intuitive and user-friendly. Today we dive into the world of Rabbit R1, a device that's redefining our interaction with technology. Let's get started and explore how the Rabbit R1 is revolutionizing the tech world. What is a Rabbit R1 AI device? The Rabbit R1 AI device is a groundbreaking innovation in technology that has recently made its entry into the market. This device is unique due to its emphasis on simplifying the user experience with advanced artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional smartphones that rely heavily on app-based interfaces, the Rabbit R1 uses a more intuitive approach, making technology accessible and straightforward for everyone. What makes the launch of the Rabbit R1 so remarkable is the absence of prior hype. Typically, technological advancements are preceded by extensive marketing campaigns and media buzz. However, Rabbit took a different route. The R1 was introduced with little to no preliminary fanfare, leading to a significant shock within the tech industry. This unexpected debut not only caught the attention of tech enthusiasts and professionals, but also sparked curiosity among the general public. The launch of the Rabbit R1 AI device marks a pivotal moment in how we interact with technology. Its innovative design, coupled with the surprise element of its introduction, has made it a topic of interest and discussion in various circles. This device is not just a new product, it's a fresh perspective on the role and functionality of personal technology in our daily lives. Problems with current devices, complexity. Many smartphones are packed with features and apps, making them complex and overwhelming for users, especially those not tech-savvy. App overload. The reliance on numerous apps for different tasks can lead to clutter and confusion, making it hard to navigate and find what you need. Inefficient task management. Switching between multiple apps for various tasks is time-consuming and inefficient, decreasing productivity. Battery and performance issues. Running many apps can drain battery life quickly and affect the overall performance of the device. Privacy concerns. With so many apps, managing privacy settings is challenging, raising concerns about data security and privacy. Limited customization. While apps offer various services, they often lack the ability to be fully customized to meet individual user needs. Dependence on internet connectivity. Most apps require internet connectivity to function effectively, limiting their use in areas with poor or no internet access. Rabbit R1. Features. Natural language processing. The R1 excels in understanding and responding to spoken language naturally, allowing users to interact with it as they would with a person. Ease of use. Designed with simplicity in mind, it's easy for anyone to use regardless of their tech knowledge. Touchscreen. A responsive touchscreen makes navigating the device's features straightforward and intuitive. Push-to-talk button. This handy feature allows users to give voice commands easily, enhancing the hands-free experience. A camera. Equipped with a camera, the R1 can be used for taking photos, video calling, and other visual tasks. Customizable interface. The interface can be tailored to individual preferences, making it more personal and user-friendly. Long battery life. Designed for extended use, the battery life is robust, minimizing the need for frequent charging. Large action model. The large action model is a key feature of the Rabbit R1 AI device. Concept of LAM. The large action model is an advanced AI system that enables the Rabbit R1 to perform a wide range of tasks efficiently. It's designed to understand and execute complex commands that go beyond simple instructions. Distinguishing factor. LM sets the Rabbit R1 apart from other AI devices in its ability to handle multiple complex tasks simultaneously. While typical AI devices might be limited to basic commands, the R1, with its LM, can perform more intricate and involved actions. Adaptability and learning. LAM allows the Rabbit R1 to learn from interactions, meaning it gets better and more efficient over time, offering a personalized experience to the user. Practical applications. The Rabbit R1 AI device is designed to make everyday tasks simpler and more efficient. Here are some of its practical applications. Scheduling and reminders. It can set reminders for appointments, meetings, and important dates, ensuring you stay on track with your schedule. Information search. The R1 can quickly find information on a variety of topics, from weather forecasts to general knowledge. Entertainment. It can play music, audiobooks, or podcasts based on user preferences, providing personalized entertainment options. Learning and education. The device can assist with learning new languages or exploring educational content, making it a valuable tool for students and lifelong learners. Home automation. It integrates with smart home devices, allowing users to control lighting, temperature, and other home systems through voice commands. Health and fitness. The R1 can track fitness routines, provide workout suggestions, and offer health-related tips. Speed and accuracy. One of the standout features of the R1 is its fast response time and accurate execution of tasks, enhancing its usefulness in these scenarios. Teach Mode feature. The Rabbit R1's Teach Mode is a distinctive feature that significantly enhances its usability. Customizable tasks. Teach Mode allows users to personalize the R1 by teaching it specific tasks tailored to their needs. Learning new skills. Users can instruct the R1 in new skills and actions, broadening its capabilities beyond the pre-programmed functions. User interaction. This feature involves direct interaction with the device where users give specific instructions or examples of what they want the R1 to learn or perform. Adaptability. As the R1 learns from these interactions, it becomes more adept at understanding and executing user-specific requests, making it increasingly efficient over time. Comparison with other devices. When comparing the Rabbit R1 with existing smartphones and AI devices, several key aspects stand out. Functionality. The R1's intuitive interface and natural language processing capabilities set it apart from conventional devices that rely heavily on app-based interactions. Price. While specific pricing details vary, the R1's advanced features and personalized AI capabilities offer value that may justify a different pricing structure compared to standard smartphones and AI devices. Technological advancements. The Rabbit R1 incorporates cutting-edge technology, especially in areas like its large action model and Teach Mode, which are not commonly found in other devices. The Rabbit R1 AI device has the potential to significantly impact everyday life. Its intuitive interface and natural language processing make technology more accessible, especially for those who find current devices complex. The R1's ability to learn and adapt to individual user needs means it can become more efficient and personalized over time. This could lead to a more streamlined, stress-free interaction with technology, enhancing daily productivity and overall quality of life. The Rabbit R1 represents a shift towards more user-friendly, intelligent technology. Thanks for watching our deep dive into the Rabbit R1 AI device. If you found this information helpful, please give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and updates. Share this video with friends who might be interested in the future of technology. And if you have any thoughts or questions about the Rabbit R1, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more exciting content.